So hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fans here. So after the long time, we have the device Redmi 12 5G. So in this video, I will be installing some Android 14 based custom ROM. So last time we have installed the Pixel OS, which is based on the Android 13. So now we'll try to install something which has much customization. So this is Android 13 based with the September 1, 2023 security patch. Now it's 2024 March. When I was checking in the community, there is this one superior extended which I have saw and thought to install the same on my Redmi 12 5G. Also, there are other things like Lineage OS and stuffs, but I just want to try with which has the customization. So I have downloaded this, and here I have the superior extended community version Sky, which is the device name. There is no particular this one method to install it, but if you click here you have different type of methods to install the ROM. But I will be using the method 3, so which is the ADB sideload, which I always use. There is another method without using the recovery, custom recovery. You can still install it. Already I have ADB sideload also. So first I will be opening the ADB fastboot tool. Here I have it. So once you are in the folder, just click here and open CMD. Okay. So CMD will open in that particular folder. Here you can see. If I type ADB dash version, so it is in 33. They also suggested to use version that is above 33. So that's fine. You can download it, the latest version also. So now I will be connecting. Before connecting, I have to make sure that I have turned it off, and then I have to turn it on in the fast boot mode. For that, I have to use volume down and power, I assume. I don't know. So we'll see. Okay. So now the device is in fast boot mode. So I will connect. Okay, so for this you should have the unlocked bootloader and all the things. We have made a dedicated playlist for the Redmi 12 5G. You can find it in the playlist section of the channel. Now I'm in here. I can type fast boot devices. So fast boot devices, it's showing my device. So now from here I can go ahead and install the recovery file. So the recovery that I will be having is in here. So TWRP 3.7. So fast boot flash boot flash recovery, fast boot flash recovery, and then I can drag and drop this recovery file and click enter. Okay, so now we have flashed that in that recovery partition, and then I can do fast boot reboot recovery. Okay, so now it should be booting into recovery folder, which we will be seeing right now. Okay, so now we have successfully booted to TWRP. From here we can get started. Now what I have to do is I just have to click here and do ADB sideload. I can do wipe both this one and this one. So also make sure this will format all your data. So before even proceeding any thing, make sure you took the backup of the entire device. That is really important. Now if I type ADB devices, my device should show here. Yeah, it's in sideload mode. So ADB sideload, and then I can drag and drop this file. This one superior. Yeah, here I have this file. I can just drag and drop it to here and click enter. Yeah, so now it will be installing it to my mobile. In the meantime, we will check what and all there in the mobile. So the thing is, I'm using the method 3. After that, format data I have to do. Okay, format data is important. For vanilla build, GApps is needed. So GApps I don't need because this one is almost 1.26 GB, which means it contains GApps. So that is there. So here it is getting installed. So currently the partition here is B, I think. So it is installing in the A partition. Also, I don't know whether this is AB partition or not. So we'll see that also. So yeah, this has been installed, and let me check. So now I have to do the data formatting. So I can go here and type yes. Okay. Okay, partition has been this one. So now I can reboot. So current slot is B slot. So I have to, it has been installed in the A slot. So when I reboot it, it should boot into A slot, right? So we should not remember, we should not forget that. I also installed the TWRP, but here there is no method to install TWRP. Okay. So how I can do? Well, here the storage is there. So first I will go here and I'll copy this TWRP, and but storage is not visible. Okay. So I'll switch to slot A, then I will reboot to system. So if I want to install TWRP, I can again boot into fast boot and I can install, as the storage is not showing here. Yeah. Okay, so now we have successfully booted into Superior OS, Superior Extended. Okay, so Superior OS has been booted now. So I don't want to install TWRP and all. So now I'll click next. So by the time it is getting happening, I will be installing this SIM card. I'll connect here. So I'll connect to my Wi-Fi also. So here in the pattern also we have a 6x6 pattern and all, 3x3 pattern. So fingerprint, yeah. So the fingerprint alignment, it is showing different, but it's working fine. As of now, these two fingers is fine. Okay, face unlock. Face unlock also done. No, no thanks. Okay, so finally Superior OS is installed, and this is looking little bit different. So all my application from the backup is getting installed. So Namaste Tech Fanciers, good. And this is the one. So Superior Lab has most of the customization required, and I actually like the Superior. It's almost similar to Evaluation X. So we also made a video about Superior OS earlier for my Note 11, I think Note 11 and Redmi Note 10 Pro. So if you have time, you can check it out. Of course, this a little bit laggy. Maybe it is in 60 refresh rate. So I will change it to, no, it is 90 adaptive. So I don't want adaptive. So I will be using 90 Hz, but still a little bit laggy. So that is fine. It may take some time because in the back end all the things are getting installed. Also, now it is in which one I don't know. So let me check whether it is in 5G. So it should be in 5G, I think. So force LTE aggregation to work, allow 2G. So now I will just turn off the Wi-Fi. So it is in 5G network now. So it is in 5G, that is there. And how I can check the speed? I don't know, the web page is not at all loading. Okay. So we'll check on that in the review or something. So if you want a review of this custom ROM, please let me know in the comment section. I will make it as soon as possible. So that's what about this one. Overall, I like this ROM. There isn't any doubt on this because of the customization part, and it is superior OS. But how it is actually good, or this one will consider to do multiple tests and other things. Based on that, we will come to a conclusion. So that's what about this video. Thank you for watching. If you have the device Redmi 12 5G, let me know in the comment section, and consider subscribing to Tech Fanciers, because I will be making videos for this particular device. That's the most selling point. Quote motto.